LinkedIn profile for freshers. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to linkedin.com and log in using your Google account. After logging in, you will be redirected to the LinkedIn home dashboard. To customize your profile, click your name located on the top left side of the screen. If you are a fresher, make sure you upload your best profile picture to create a strong first impression. Also, upload a professional profile banner that can help attract future recruiters. To edit your profile intro, click the pencil icon next to your name section. Make sure to use your full name for clarity and consistency. Add your preferred pronouns to make your profile more inclusive. Then, add a headline and ensure it includes your full name, university, and current job. Double-check that your current job position is accurate and up to date. Once all information is filled in, click Save to apply the changes to your intro section. Next, add your education details by selecting the Add Education button. Input your university name, degree, field of study, start and end date, grade, and relevant skills. After everything is complete, click Save. Now your profile is looking professional and well prepared for a fresher.